Closings and delays, they are still pouring in. Some schools shutting down for the rest of the week, as we've said. And businesses are announcing early that they will be closed for this storm. But for police departments and hospitals, workers have to find a way to make it in and serve others. Toledo Police Chief George Krall with some advice heading into the approaching winter storm.
If you don't have to go out, don't go out.
But that's a luxury police and hospital workers don't have. They're expecting accidents, medical emergencies, and everything in between.
The reality of it is that people's health is always, a challenge, regardless of the environmental concerns outside. So we expect that our caseload will remain the same.
Mercy Health Vice President Matt Sapara says those calls for help don't stop with bad weather, and they want people to know that hospitals and TPD will be working full force through the worst of it.
We adapt very quickly on our feet, and we'll make sure that we have the appropriate resources and systems in place that we're going to get through this.
Sapara says a storm like this compounds what has already been an exhausting 2 years of being there every day for the pandemic, through its ups and its downs around the clock.
For sure, they're tired. This has been a long couple of years with COVID. But again, I think they're just looking at this from the perspective of this is just another challenge in a series of events where they will rise to the occasion to make sure that our patients are taken care of.
And duty calls, and during the storm, they want to make sure the staff is taken care of as well. TPD and Mercy Health telling WTOL 11 they will work together to get healthcare workers where they need to be.
In discussions yesterday with the chief, we recognize getting people to the hospital could be problematic. And, the chief graciously, offered that if we need to, we could reach out and get some support from the city of Toledo to get people here.
Even if Toledo's top cop has to see to it himself.
And I have a 4-wheel drive Jeep that's a city vehicle, and I'll be out there picking people up and dropping people off if is needed as well.
As we all wait for things to get back to normal.
It's going to take a few days to dig out, but we'll do it. And, we're going to get through this. We always do.
It's important to know both Sapara and Chief Krall say that this isn't a one-time deal. In fact, this partnership started long before WTOL 11 weather team forecasted the first flake of this storm. And both TPD and Mercy Health say it is here to stay.